How to enable multiple audio sources in Android phone. If you're trying to play different sounds or from different sources on your Android device, you're going to have to first open up your settings. And once you open up your settings menu, you just have to go ahead and find your sound settings. So go ahead and tap on sounds and vibrations. Or if you are using a different Android device, you could have a different option here. And this is a Samsung device, so here on I have a separate app sound option where it allows me to enable multiple audio sources. So here you can just tap on turn on now. Click on select. Now you're going to have to select your audio device and then your app. If you want, you could add other apps here as well, like Spotify. So if I just go ahead and search for Spotify, I can add this as well. And once that is done, you can go back. And then from here, you can just select a device or your phone, and then it will start playing multiple audios. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.